What is your name?
Hi, my name is Hser.
And what is this event about?
Alright, today we are at Island County Park here at Shoreview. We got a Korean car show. This is the second year. Last year we did in Maple and we got about 100 cars. This year we got a lot of people coming. So this is the community event. Everybody can come and we got some t-shirt, we got some food, we sell food and we charge people $15 per car.
We're just here helping out as a sponsor for the Korean car show event today. Just trying to show our support to the community. We're handing out some free tchotchkes. Just want to get involved and do what we can to help. Yep. Maplewood is located on Maplewood Drive over in Maplewood, about 10 minutes from here. Looking for anybody that wants to come join us for entry-level position. You know, we're always hiring, always supporting, so please feel free.
Basically, all the money we receive from the event, we donate it back to the people in Burma, in Kawthoolei. So we really appreciate all of the people who come and showed up and support this event. This year we got a new sponsor. We got Maple Toyota, Evagro Toyota, and Happiness Auto Body and Glass. Ramsey County Park and Recreation sponsor this event. And we also have a sponsor, Larry Mahonney. He is a realtor. He sponsored this event. Thank you so much for those who sponsored this event. We also would like to thank our friend and family who come and support this event. We hope you guys have a good day, and we hope to do this again for the next year. We want to create a safe space for the young people to come and share their experience and gathering. So we would like to thank everybody. Also, we would like to thank World Youth Connect for coming and support this event. Every time I do the event, I reach out to POA and their organization, World Youth Connect. They send their youth, and this year also they help out with the volunteer, clean up, and a lot of things. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Larry Mahonney, and I'm a realtor with Keller Williams. And I specialize in the Karen community. I've worked with the Karen community for some years, and I've done a lot of help putting Karen families into new homes. So if I can help you, please let me know. Thank you.